welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, I'm here in the market guys. For today's video guys, I'm going to buy some vegetables for the workers for their lunch. So yeah, titagpila niya ang bati. Alig 30 lang te.
Dati para utan mo.
Para kanang kuan ba kanang utan sari-sari.
20 lang no.
Nya kanisan gay te. Ay kanilang gay nga puwat te. Gay lang nga puwat te.
Ari kilar.
20 la sa
30 lang.
sige. Yeah, ananam din ay kalbasa. Then guy.
Ugma lang ariala ko. Ako pa rin halino na nga ako. Udto na ko nagkapangabli. Dalangan sa pista.
Pista Sagnaya.
Oo. Ang pay ba mo ko?
Naman sa ni kaliwat Sagnaya. Pero wala minam. Baligis lang guro ti oy, gamay lang kamunggay. Nya kaning gay nya ti. Yeah. Eggplant.
Mau sa pilido kaliwat mo sa naya.
Darate taon.
Ilan yung crab? 1/4? 45. Taron? May pasahan. Tara no. Ilang pizza mo dai? Ilang kamay-kamay lang na pizza yun.
Also going to buy this guys because my daughter loves pancit. Tagpila na siya ti. 20 pesos. This is 20 pesos guys. Yan. Kana ate ay okra.
Puno na din.
Ano na
na logi kay kanay lamas na.
Lagi kana lang ti ay. Ya kanang okra te. Kamatis, tomato guys. Because I'm thinking to have a kuan guys, a salad okra. Salad okra guys. And also I'm going to get cucumber. Just more cucumber only. Ay, this one, Chinese cucumber. I'm done guys. 5 vegetables. So I paid 451. So we're going to the mountain now guys because I'm done buying vegetables. I'm at the pharmacy. I'm going to buy some wipes for my daughter. Some wipes guys for my daughter because she don't have a wipes anymore. I'm just going to buy one today guys. One only, you know. Budget and one water. And also this because it's her favorite. And now I'm going to buy some donut for my daughter guys. Excuse me miss. Kani niya miss? Kani duha. Duha? Sago lang. Then kaning pink o kaning purple? Kaduha. is strawberry rainbow, guys. And I love this. I think this one. I'm gonna get this also, guys. So I choose this, guys, the chocolate butternut, and this one. This is mine. You know, love donuts. So that's why. So here is the donuts. The donuts. Donuts now. Kailan na? 220. 220 pesos for the donuts. 2 for 3. Now guys, I also bought some Tylenol for the pain because I always suffering the pain of my left side of my stomach. So I bought also some medicine for myself. And now I'm going now to the mountain because it's 12 p.m. already, guys, and it's 12 noon. So traveling right now. So I'm arrived, guys. This is what I bought, guys. Oh, sana all. This is what I bought. My daughter is here, guys. Oh, pancit. Pancit. Vinegar. Cucumber. Ikaw day. Cucumber. Salt. And a salt. Pancit. Eggplant. Ikaw day na eggplant. That I bought, guys. Oh, so yes. Mama. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel.